Who are you talking to down there?
A castle.
Were you talking to somebody in the woods or something? Say it again.
Hello down there.
Did you hear anybody answer?
Yeah.
Do you hear the bugs?
I don't know what answer.
Nobody answered?
Nobody answered me.
Little pig, let me in.
Big bad wolf.
I'm the big bad wolf.
No,
Little
you
pig, let me in.
No, you know big bad wolf. I want big bad wolf down there.
You want to see a real big bad wolf?
I'll see big bad wolf up there.
But he may huff and puff and blow our house in.
What?
What if he does that?
Well, blows the house away like he's open door.
I don't know. So if he knocks on the door, should we let him in?
Yeah.
Or what should you say?
Hey.
So if the big bad wolf goes, knock, 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 little pig, let me in.
No, I want big bad wolf.
Oh, okay. You're not going to say it, are you?